Okay, welcome back to 10th B Science 1 chapter number 2. First we will collect the summary, then last 2 point uh, okay. Periodic classification of the elements. First, what is the meaning of element? What is the actual definition of element? Element having the same type of the atoms in the matter, in the element, in the substance. When same type of the atoms are present, only one type of the atoms are present, it is said to be element. So basic history, that how it is divided. First time it is divided into metal and non-metal. Scientist name is not given. It's failed because of some element having the property of both metal, non-metal. Then Dauber got one new idea. Two basic things, that they've taken three element group of same chemical property and arranged them in increasing order of atomic mass, such that the atomic mass of middle element is average of rest of two. The best example, or the smallest one had, is Lina K. Lithium, sodium, potassium. 9, sorry, it is 739. So the total is 46. Half is 23. So the atomic mass means what? A. Atomic mass of middle element is the average of atomic mass of rest of two. That is given by Dauber. For higher order, it is exactly the average. Then they got difference. That difference goes on increasing from higher atomic number. So this classification number 2, first metal, non-metal, second Dauber, then third. After that 3 group, 8 group, Newland's octave. What they have done, they've arranged all the elements in the increasing order of the atomic number. From that, what they got, that every first and eighth element having the same chemical property. First and eighth element having the same chemical property. That is why it is known as octave. Like music will not sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. So in that also first and eighth sa to sa are equal. So on that base they have analyzed. But so the name of scientist you have remember, Mendeleev. Now demerits of why these become fail, because of one point they have given cobalt and nickel. Cobalt plays before nickel, so that will not obey the increasing order of atomic mass. Isotopes. In isotopes, how we write isotopes? First, let me use isotopes. X A to Z. This is atomic mass, means proton plus neutron. This can be electron or proton. So if neutrons are differ in same element, atomic mass will be differ. So when atomic mass will be differ, it will place in a different group. But these are the same element. These are the same atom with same atomic number but different atomic mass. So they are in different group but having the same chemical property. So that is second demerit. Third, when elements are arranged in the increasing order, atomic mass, raise in atomic mass does not appear into uniform. Means the best example is cobalt and nickel. Then hydrogen having one electron in the first orbit, it will take one more electron. So the same similar chemical property as the halogen, but hydrogen is not the halogen group element. One more Mendeleev periodic table also given. In that also elements are divided into groups, periods. In same group, the element having the different chemical property. In different group, the element having the same chemical property. In same group, different chemical property. In different group, same chemical. So it was a contrast as per the definition or the principle of the classification of the element. Then short form MPT. Modern periodic table. Modern periodic table, latest one, which at present we are using in chemistry laboratory. Modern periodic table was discovered by Henry Moseley. This is one of the objective many times they have asked. MPT, modern periodic table given by Henry Moseley. Latest table. Rest of all are on the base of atomic mass. This is only the base on the base of atomic number. The periodic function of the elements are on the base of their atomic number, means physical and chemical the periodic properties of physical and chemical property are on the base of atomic number. Only these are on the atomic number. Then they have divided this group into subgroup S, P, D, F. So position, left side, right side, middle, bottom. First point, 4 point. Second, group number, first and second, 13 to 18. So what is the middle one? 3rd to 12. This is lanthanide, actinide, bottom. Okay. Orbit incomplete. 1 or 0 or 1. 2 incomplete. 3 incomplete. General name, left side metal, right side non-metal and noble gas, inert gas, reactive gas. Middle one lanthanide, bottom actinide. So on these four number, these four, if you will remember like that in a very short in textbook they have given full on 2 page. So from that, like that 4 point you will pick up. So on single group you can write the note, two group you can compare on the base of position, on the base of group number, on the base of outermost orbit incomplete, on the base of general name. The group name S means metal, P means non-metal and noble gas, D means transgenic element. This is in a transgenic element. Atomic size, this is very important. Size depend on radii. Radii depend on orbit. First, what is radii? Definition of radii you have to write. This is nuclear, this is orbit. So the distance of the center of the nuclei to the outermost orbit, the distance between the center of the nuclei to the outermost orbit, that is the radii. More the radii, more the size. So size depend on the radii. Radii depend on the orbit. If it is one orbit less, if two orbit more, three orbit more, four orbit more. So number of orbit increase, radii increase, size increase. This systematic you have to write depending points. Now group. Group means up and down, up to down, up to down. Orbit, number of orbit goes on increasing. Orbit increasing, orbit increasing, radii increasing, size increasing. In a group, in every group, first, second, third or eighth group, number of orbit from top to bottom goes on increasing. Orbit goes on increasing, so radius goes on increasing. Radius goes on increasing, so size also goes on increasing. So stepwise, group always you have to describe from top to bottom. Top to bottom, number of orbit increase, radius increase, size increase, period wise. Left to right always. Now orbit will not increase. same. Electron increase, attraction increase, radius decrease, size group top to bottom, period left to right. So left to right, orbit will not change, same orbit, but in same orbit, electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like electron, so orbit will be same. Electron number goes on increasing. Electron number goes on increasing, so attraction goes on increasing. So radius goes on decreasing. Radius goes on decreasing, so volume goes on decreasing. Group wise volume goes on increasing. Period wise volume goes on decreasing. So next, metallic character. Metallic character, period wise, left side metal left side metal, right side non metal. So metal goes on decreasing, non metal goes on increasing. Group wise, metal character more, metallic character goes on decreasing. Hydrogen family, very important. 7A group or 17A group means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is gas, this is liquid, this is solid. Seventh group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Gas, liquid, solid. So radius goes on increasing, volume goes on increasing. All have 7 electrons in the outermost valence electron. So valency all are 1, 1, 1. All are having one valency, all are having 7 electrons in the outermost, all have the halogen. All combination of halogen are known as halide. Wherever you will find fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine in the compound, that are the halides. One important point, zigzag line. There are some element, left side metal, right side non-metal, but in between some these elements are there. So these. So it is a zigzag line. Left side metal, right side non-metal, but some elements which are not in metal, not in non-metal. So when you will join that element, arsenic, silicon, antimony, germanium, gallium, these are metalloid, having the properties of both metal, non-metal, both. Metalloid, semi-metal, half metal. These are the different name. So, and example question is very important in this. They will ask, give Dauber-Reynolds example. Li na ke lithium, sodium, potassium. Give example of halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Give example of inert gas, argon, neon, krypton, xenon, helium. Give example of metalloid: arsenic, silicon, antimony, germanium, gallium. Give example with one electron in the outermost orbit. Again same, LINAK: lithium, sodium, potassium. So neutral gases, halogen gas, halogen elements, 7 electron, 1 electron. Then metalloid with 1 electron. These are the example, 2, 2, 3, 3 example you have to. So this group of example also you have to remember. The number of the electron in the outermost shell of alkali metal. Alkali metal always it has 1 electron. Alkaline earth metal have valency 2 valence electron, metal with 2 electron in the outermost orbit, so it is in second group. Molecular formula of the chlorine of metal X is HCl. So chlorine is utilized 1, so only the sodium, because rest of are with more valency, so NaCl, sodium chloride. So third fill in the blank, sodium. In which block the modern periodic table are the non-metals found? Metal, non-metal, Sp, so P group. 282. Now answer, what is the atomic number? 282. So 2 plus 8, 10 plus 2, 12. Atomic number is 12. What is the group? In which group this element? 282, outermost is 2, so it is in second group. To which period this is? 282. Correct. So third orbit. So first, second, third in third period. Which of these element are having period third? In third period means 2 plus 8 plus something, means atomic number should be greater than 10. So among this, which is greater than 10? Sodium, silicon, phosphorus. Next, which of these elements belong to second group? Second group means in all the element, all element atom have 2 electrons in the outermost. Second group means 2 means only 2, 8 plus 2, 2, 2 and 2, 2, 8, 2, 2, 8, 8, 2, 2, 8, 8, 18, 2, like that. Highly electronegative. So when there is 7 electron in the outermost, it will get 1 electron. Highly electronegative. Highest non-metallic character means what? In which element, which atom take 1 electron, more non-metallic character. Name and symbol of the element described. The atom having the smallest size, hydrogen, means 1 atomic number. Start from hydrogen, helium, 2 direct, last group helium, inert gas. The atom having the smallest atomic mass, smallest size also same, smallest atomic size also the same, hydrogen. The noble gas, which are the noble gas? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Okay, and top to bottom, volume increasing. So the smallest is helium. Mendeleev's periodic law they have asked. In that, the the physical and chemical periodic property of the element depend on atomic mass of the element. Your atomic mass for MPT atomic number, only one word you have to change. Structure of the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table are divided into 18 groups, 7 period, 4 subgroup SPDF, left, right, middle, bottom. Position of the isotopes in the Mendeleev's in the modern periodic table. In Mendeleev periodic table, position of the isotopes are in different group. Position of isotopes in a modern periodic table, because of the same atomic number, they are placed in same group. In MPT, same group. In Mendeleev's, different group. Very important question. Question number 7A. Atomic radius goes on decreasing while going from left to right. See, very systematic you have to write. Left to right, number of orbit will not change. Number of orbit will not change. Number of electron will change. Number of electron will change, so attraction power will increase. Electron number goes on increasing, attraction power goes on increasing. So from left to right, radius goes on decreasing, so volume goes on decreasing. Electron goes on increasing, attraction power goes on increasing, radius goes on decreasing, size goes on decreasing. Second, metallic character goes on decreasing while from left to right in a period. From left to right, again number of electrons goes on increasing. So 1 electron metal, 2 electron metal, 3 electron metal, less reactive metal. 4 it can give, it can take, it can share, not a metal. Then non-metal. So with 1 electron active metal, with 2 electron less active metal, with 3 electron very less active metal. So metallic character goes on decreasing depending on the electron number. Elements belonging to the same group having the same valence. Group number shows, this is very important question. Group number is a number of electrons which are present in the outermost orbit. So suppose group number 2, so all the elements have 2 electrons in the outermost orbit. Students are joining now at 9:30. This happened only in 10th B and 9th B, not in rest division. Group number shows the number of electrons in the outermost orbit and same group number, same number of electron in outermost. So same number of electron in the outermost orbit shows the same valence electron. So valence electron is the same in group, outermost electron are same in the same group. The third period contain only 8 elements having to the electron capacity of the third shell is 80. It is depend on the formula 2n square that we have learned in 8th standard. Electronic configurance 2n square. N is number of orbit. Suppose first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit, fifth orbit. First means 2 into 1 square, 2 into 2 square, 3 into 2 square, 4 into 2 square, 5 into 2 square, 2 square. This will be 2, 2, 2, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. 1 ones are 1, 2s are 2. So maximum capacity of first orbit is 2 electron. 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So maximum capacity of second is 8. For any orbit they will ask no like this, you can explain with this formula. Suppose it is third, so you will put 3, 3 are 9, 2s are 18. Suppose it is 4, 4 4s are 16, 2s are 32. And suppose it is fifth, 5 5s are 25, 2s are 50. So these are the range in the outer, overall electrons in outermost orbit. If there is only one orbit 2, if there is 2 orbits, so outermost first is 2, second is 8. If there are 3 orbits, so in first, second and third orbit capacity 80. But they have asked only the outermost orbit capacity. So instead of n, you can write if they will ask for third, so you have to write 3. If they will ask for 4, you would write 4. Now, the period with electrons in the shell KLM, again same. These are the numerical name. So K, L, M, N, O. These are the name. For K, again same formula 2. For L, again same formula 8. Again M, 3, third, for 3 square 8. K, L, M, N. This is a name wise. And first, second, third, fourth is in increasing order of number wise. The group with the valency 0, 3 answer you can write. 8 group, 0 group, 18 group. Why it is neutral, noble? Because in the outermost orbit, duet or octet completed. That is why it is inert. They cannot give, they cannot take, they cannot share. The family of metals having the valency 1. So that I am giving you Li, Na, K, lithium, sodium, potassium. For 1 electron also, for this Dobberg-Einert triad, sorry. For both Dobberg-Einert triad, same example. Li, Na, K, lithium. This is not the scientific word. This is I have given that. It is not given in the textbook. The way how you can remember. But Li, Na, K is not one word. Li, Na, Li, lithium. Li, Na, Na, sodium. Na, sodium. K means potassium, like that. Don't do misunderstanding. The family metals having the valency 2. Second group, all have valency 2. So from second group you can write magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, with 2 electrons in the outermost orbit. Example of metalloid: silicon, arsenic, germanium, gallium. Non-metal, which are non-metal, you can write all gas name: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. two element having the valency 4, 4 valency, fourth group, that you can write carbon also. In the outermost 4 electron, carbon you can write. So today I have covered all main point again and again. Then I have covered question answer. Then I have covered halogen group full with SPDF. SPDF is very important, and that group wise and period wise, size increasing decreasing, it is very important. Till now in geometry we have completed 2, science 1 also we have completed 2 chapters, algebra almost only 1 exercise remain in rest. So I think they will ask 2 chapters in the unit test, but let's discuss with another subject teacher also. Every day whatever I will complete, that you have to write into the workbook. Workbook will be utilized as your internal marks. So day by day you complete 2, 3 page. Otherwise at the end by force, when the teacher will demand, you will write day and night. So that will be very painful, and you will find impossible work, that how can I complete all this work together.